I am a simple graduate and I want to become a data analyst. Is this possible?
Yes, definitely. In 20, companies are offering packages of 17 lakhs to 24 lakhs per annum to the candidates who are not even from technical background but are expert in data analysis, especially Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is world number 1 business intelligence tool, and companies like Amazon, Deloitte, Accenture and many others are using it to analyze their data and convert raw Excel data to interactive dashboards. Data Analytics is a 4 month training program with Power BI, Advanced Excel, Python and SQL. TECHNOGLOBE expert trainers will help you in learning data analytics, and our placement team will provide you strong support in getting jobs like data scientist, financial analyst, social media analyst, business analyst, operation analyst, risk analyst, etc. For more details regarding data analytics, visit your nearest branch of TECHNOGLOBE or call 1800 572 9697.